Hey friends, and welcome to today's video. So we recently did a soil test because I wanted to determine what kind of soil quality we have before we even start getting ready to prepare the ground and just kind of know the base of what we're going with. Now, this acreage for 100 plus years, probably longer than that, has been pasture land. So we've been here on this patch for a little over 10 years, and then my in-laws live next door, and it's actually their land, and it's been in their family for generations and generations. So it's had cattle, mostly, some horses, but mostly cattle on it for a long time. So I wasn't really nervous about it, but we do have some clay. So like I said, I just wanted to be educated and get a general idea of what our soil looks like. So we did a soil test, and I will link the video that I used in the description box below. So let's take a look at it. Okay, so as you can see, we have a layer here, which is sand. We have a layer here, which is the I know I'm saying that wrong, silt. And then we have a little layer here, which is the clay. Now this is just sediment up in the top. So sand, silt, and clay. So the majority of it is awesome, amazing soil. I'm pretty enthused with that. Let me see if I can back you up so you can get a little bit better view, and then I'll try to zoom you in. Let's see if it's not going to focus like that, but you can see the 3 layers, so we're pretty excited about that. We are gonna till it once. It's never been gardened before. It's always just been pasture. So we're gonna till it once, and then I think after that we'll kind of go the no-till method. But the first time, just to get the ground nice and broken up, we are gonna till it, and then we'll probably get some organic compost and put there. We are starting to compost, but we don't have enough for a garden. We don't hardly have any really for a garden yet, but and then we'll probably till it again just to get all of that nutrients packed in, and then go from there. So I'm pretty excited. I thought we would have a lot more clay, because when they built the foundation of the house, you could see some clay, and that's what I had remembered from 10 plus years ago. So I thought it was going to be, 50% or more clay, honestly. And to see that it came out like that, I'm pretty excited. Now, we have all of our seeds bought, most of all of them. We still need to go to a local nursery. I want to get some fruit trees, some blackberry, blueberry, maybe raspberry, on the property, some lemon, some apples. We have a strawberry farm not 5 minutes down the road, so I don't think that I'm gonna plant strawberries, because I can just go pick them locally, right? Not 5 minutes. I mean, it's just right down the road. So I don't know that I'm gonna do that, but I wanted to go to a local nursery before I ordered online, just to see prices, variations, what, if I can hand pick, what I want to put out there versus having it shipped to me. And just kind of see what our options are. I need to get a lot more knowledgeable on fruit, growing fruit. I know, like blackberries, you have to have a cross-pollinator, and just general information like that I need to get a lot more knowledge on. But I'm pretty excited about our soil. I'm pretty excited about our garden. Like I've said before, I have no expectations for this garden, except for if I grow a pepper, I'm gonna be pretty tickled. Like I said, I've never ever gardened in my life, ever. And I want to grow better, healthier foods for our family, instead of having to go to the store and pick them up. And organic food is just, it's very expensive. So I would rather have it and go to the store in my garden or in my pantry when we get to canning. So yeah, I'm pretty excited about it, and we will see you guys in the next one. Like I said, I'll have that video linked below of how I did my own at-home soil test. And there's more you can do to this too, as far as measuring it and getting the exact name of soil that you have. We have not done that, and I don't think that we're going to after the soil sample, but I will link it down below. We'll see you guys. Bye.